Welcome back to Certified Ethical Hacking. My name is Andy Dreher. This presentation will demonstrate 10 facts needed to pass the EC Council test to become a certified ethical hacker. Fact 201. When dealing with password cracking utilities, any utility that combines multiple methods is considered a hybrid. Fact 202. The utility that hides processes, files, registry logs is a rootkit. A rootkit can also seize keystrokes. A rootkit is so devious it tries to hide the files that were injected into your computer and system by the attacker to avoid being detected. It is common for a rootkit to replace system files and make you think everything is okay. If a user discovers that a rootkit is present on their computer, the best solution is to do a complete software reinstall. Fact 203. A brute force attack means exactly what it states, that every possible combination of computer characters are used to crack a password. This process takes a very long time. Fact 204. Although not a password cracking utility, Netcat is well thought of being the Swiss Army knife of hacking tools. Fact 205. Password cracking programs use the same encryption process and then can compare the encryptions of the original password. When the two encrypted passwords match, their hash match allows the real password to show the correct password. Fact 206. Port scanning is an attack to gather information. Fact 207. The file and location you would find the port number for POP3 is located here. Fact 208. A good way to protect an organization's data in transit and storage would be to use cryptography. Fact 209. LAN manager hashes have three known weaknesses. 1. LAN manager changes all passwords to uppercase. 2. Hashes are not encrypted and sent in plain text. 3. An effective hash is only 7 characters long. LAN manager sequence computations are as follows. 1. Change to uppercase. 2. Null pad the password or reduce it to 14 bytes. 3. If password is set length, it will be divided into two 7-byte sections. 4. These two halves will create two 7-byte desk keys. 5. Each of these keys are used to create desk-encrypt, which outcomes into two 8-byte ciphertext values. 6. The two ciphertexts are concatenated to result in 16-byte value, or better known as the LM hash. 7. The hashes are sent in plain text on the network. Fact 210. 10 ways to harden your network and prevent attackers from footprinting your systems with a security policy. 1. Footprinting demands should be rejected with router configurations. 2. Avoid protocols that are not needed with proper configuration of web servers. 3. Disable ports with firewall restrictions. 4. Implement an IDS that monitors and rejects apprehensive traffic and avoids footprinting techniques. 5. Before you release information to the website or internet, be careful not to disclose valuable information. 6. Check DMZ sites for confidential information by trying to footprint your organization's systems and remove that information. 7. Web pages should not be allowed to be cached by search engines. 8. Do not disclose registration services. 9. Do not allow directory services. 10. Use split DNSs. Note, if you spy on every employee and their computers with keyloggers, this will not be helpful. Thank you for joining me on Certified Ethical Hacking Intermediate Facts 211. Please come back and join me for future videos on this subject matter.